Hello everybody, Peter here. Today I'm gonna show you what to do in case you cannot format or delete your hard drive or SSD. So in my case, I can install Windows here because this is an SSD, but what if I wanted to install it on this hard drive? Or what if I only wanted to format this hard drive so I can change the sizes of it? Well, I can't, because I have no options in here, so nothing on disk 0 is formattable. In this case, what you need to do, you need to exit the installer. So this is a Windows 11 installer, but it looks the same as the Windows 10. So if you're trying to install Windows 10, this is also relevant for you since it's the same process. You just go back, all the way back, you quit here, and now you hit repair your computer down there. It's gonna prompt you with this message. Now you hit troubleshoot. You go into command prompt, and we're gonna do all the magic from here into the command prompt. So I'm gonna hit disk part. So this is a disk partitioner. I'm gonna hit list disk, and these are all disks that I do have in here. So this is my SSD, 223 gigabytes. This is my disk 0, which is the one that I want to format. So what I'm gonna do, there is a command called clean. Just a second to check the exact spelling of it. So it's select disk 0. So now I have selected the hard drive. So once more, the bigger one is my hard drive. If you only have one disk, then it's gonna be just one thing to format. And this disk 2 is actually my USB stick. And now I hit clean. And we should get a message when it's done. So disk partitioner had succeeded in cleaning the disk. And now, if I hit exit from the disk partitioner, this leaving disk part, and when I'm gonna close this command prompt, I'm gonna go back again, but I can only troubleshoot or turn off the PC. I'm gonna hit turn off the PC. And now when I power it on, since in the boot order I have selected it to boot it from my stick, it should go back into Windows 11 in my case, or Windows 10 if you're doing this on Windows 10. Just give it a few moments. And I'm gonna go back to the menu to show you that we can now format the hard disk. Gonna hit install now, so I'm just gonna skip forward to that part that we need to see where I can hit format, hit delete, and then do my own partitions. For this purpose I will not insert the key. I'm gonna choose Windows Home. Doesn't really matter what you choose in here, it should behave the same way, and custom install. And now this drive 0 that is here, it's free, it's formatted, so I can just go ahead and make a partition with all of the memory. So now you can do whatever you'd like with your partition. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this was helpful for you. I would really appreciate a like and a subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Have a great day. Bye.